I'm here from Druvaa. About us, we are from Druvaa and we have a vision to eradicate traditional backups from the world. The product which we have in the market is Druvaa Replicator. It is a cross-platform, all-application disaster recovery solution in the market already. It's mainly meant for Asia-Pacific businesses who can't afford Veritas and IBM solutions. And DR being a big word, big hype in India, the RBI regulations coming in for Basel and SOX, we are getting a good traction. And I'm here in Proto to announce and launch Druvaa InSync, a smaller product for laptops and desktops. The founding team comprises of Mr. Ramani Kothandaraman, being CEO and founder, myself Jaspreet Singh, and our Milind Borate, CTO of the company. We recently got angel back from IAN, Indian Network, and Accord International. So more about the problem statement. We see a lot of users, a lot of mobile users having a handy mobile desktop, mobile workstations like laptops or mobile phones, who don't have a protection solution for their their workstations. They can back up, but the problem with the backup is it's like eating the right food. Right? You got to do it, you never do it. So there are workarounds. You kind of back up on a pen drive, you go home and you sync up with a NAS server. But there is no product to protect you right now, with the critical data. So what do we have? We have a simple product. This product can, in real time, continuously sync back your data from your laptops over encrypted channel, WAN compressed and optimized, to a central enterprise server. Simple. So while you're traveling on internet anywhere in the world, if your laptop is configured, you can sync back instantly. The moment you make changes, the moment you go online, it syncs back. Very simple. And do we have competition? Yes, we do have competition. Not so what we are targeting is a product in the enterprise space, cheap, which is accessible throughout the web. Our players who probably got the problem wrong or understated are targeting the consumer market, that too in a backup space, where there is a manual intervention required. There is no bandwidth optimization. There is no bandwidth scheduling. You can't dedicate a particular bandwidth for only a backup and leave the rest for yourself. There is no way to restore online. When you are traveling and you want to restore some file or the other. So we exist in enterprise space. We ship for Mac, Linux, and Windows. Only enterprises. We have fully encrypted, compressed, and it syncs. It's got a very powerful bandwidth scheduler, and it's cheap. So how does a user interface looks like? We ship you a simple server. The server you can simply choose a storage area. We want to store the user's data. You can create more users and ship them a installable. The installable, once installed, sits in a system tray. You right click to see configure, pause, restore, and you can configure the system tray using simple 3 menu options: network configuration, folders, and advanced. The network, you can simply put, you can load the key given by the administrator. It contains the entire server information, your authentication, your SSL certificate, everything. You choose the synchronization window. It can be 1 minute to 1 second to a couple of hours to a day or a week. You choose a bandwidth, a dedicated bandwidth, and then you choose folders. You have two simple options, like you can sync up your emails and My Documents instantly, or you could simply go for a customized folder and choose a filter on it. All documents, all PDFs, all HTMLs. That's it. Next thing you have is it's automatically syncing up with the server. And the future plan is to have a 1.2 out in the April, which will have email alerts and critical customer feedback. Then we are in the market and we have tied up with a couple of biggies for this solution who have a mobile force already in the market. We can't disclose the names right now. The 2.0 version is the main version, which shares a vision of the company, that is to achieve full CDP. CDP means continuous data protection. In all the replication solutions which exist, you can only replicate, right? And if you have a virus attack, you tend to replicate the affected data. In CDP, you can replicate and recover the latest, but also you can go back point in time to a particular point in time where you think the virus was not there. So you could easily, while you're replicating, 4 o'clock the virus affects you, and 5 o'clock you realize that. You can go back to your web access restore, and you can easily select a couple of files from 5 o'clock and restore them for 4 o'clock, and vice versa. You can choose a date, a range, or whatever, and get exactly that data. And we believe if we achieve CDP in both the products, in Replicator and in InSync, we can eradicate traditional backups. because the cost of restoration, the cost of backing up with these products is zero. The RPO, RTO constraints, how much time did it take to recover, and up to what point you could recover. For a typical backup is around about 5 hours for a server, and couple, half an hour to 1 hour for a laptop solution. In this case, it's pure 5 seconds. You can replicate and you can recover. In version 3.0, we plan to target mobile phones. We believe they have a critical data and there's a need for it.